This striking modern home has a rare vantage point above the Mad River Valley, with long western views from Sugarbush to Camel's Hump. Architecture that celebrates light, space, and the quiet beauty of Vermont's landscape. Soaring ceilings wrapped in light oak and dramatic walls of glass. A chef's kitchen built for cooking with friends and family after a day on the trails. Thoughtful, handcrafted, and meant to be lived in. Gather around a modern hearth with panoramic windows that keep you connected to the valley no matter the weather. Purposeful design in every detail, curated fixtures, and Vermont craftsmanship. Each room framed by the surrounding ridgelines, offering a sense of calm rarely found at this elevation. Wake to quiet woods and filtered mountain light. A bedroom that feels like a retreat after ski days, bike rides, or simply unplugging. A private sanctuary with natural textures, soft mountain light, and finishes chosen for comfort and longevity. A separate studio for guests, work, or creative projects, offering its own elevated perspective on the valley. Over 38 private acres connected to Camel's Hump State Forest, trails right outside, downtown Waitsfield, and Sugarbush Resort minutes away. A modern Vermont lifestyle, lived high above it all.